General Grievous, I have important... I have a important... I have an Moving on. I have an important... Are you done yet? Grievous! Grievous! Are you done yet? I'll take that as a... I just know every single time I'm gonna talk, you're gonna start dying. Like, you're probably gonna...
Sorry, Lord Palpatine. I'm just dying slowly after Mace Windu crossed my skull. It hurts. It all hurts. Every single day it hurts.
Well, if you put it that way, then it's alright. I just wanted to say, Obi-Wan Kenobi is on the place now. Obi-Wan Kenobi is here. So, make sure to stab him. I also inquired some help. Look to your right.
Huh? Underestimate the power of a Sith. Sith Lord, that is.
Darth Jar Jar.